Good day, everyone. I'll be taking us on a short tutorial on how to connect Kabibot to our Bitget account. So the first thing you do is to go to Bitget. When you open your application on Bitget, you will go to you see different options such as trading. You see options like rewards, referrals, and slide to the right, and you see tools. Tools Under tools, you will see API keys. When you click on it, the next thing you will see is to create a new API key. So under the API key management, the next thing you are expected to do is to create a new API key. It gives you two options. One is automatically generated API keys or user generated API keys. So you click on the automatically generated API keys. Automatically generated API keys. Now, when you are done with that, so the first thing you do is to name your trade. For this one, my trade will be called automated trading. I will name it automated trading. Passphrase is Nikon 300 and Nikon 3200. Now we need to now go back and copy the IP address from Kabibot, the one provided for this platform. And when you click on the get started, you go to the overview, you go to personal automation, and you create credential. When you click on create credential, it will give you various options, platforms that are supported by Kabibot, and some such as Binance, Bitget, Bybit, and the likes. So, but for this course of this video, we'll be looking with Bitget. So for now, for Bitget, by the time you click on Bitget, you see the various permission required. Check read write, check orders, check holdings, check trade, check wallet transfer, check sub account manage. So all these are the things that it is necessary for valid API connection. You look at the platform, the trading name, the API keys, and the secret keys. We need to copy the IP address from Kabibot, the one provided for this platform. So you copy it, the first one, second one, and you copy the third one, and you copy the fourth and fifth APIs on Kabibot. For now, the API you must copy is for the one that's exactly for Bitget. So do not go and copy for Binance and Bybit APIs. So you copy the APIs inside from Kabibot inside your device, which is Bitget. Now you also have to give. Remember, we said earlier that you have to give permissions to some of the certain features for, and they are specific to the platform at which you are using. For now, we're looking at feature orders. You'll be looking at spot trading permission, copy trading, sub account transfer. So when you click on it, then it will ask for passkey. Then of course it will need to verify the email that you are the one. You need to verify the email. So it sends a code to your email, and it sends a code to your number. So it sends a code to your email and sends to your number. So if we go to my mail now, I see create API code that was sent to me by Bitget. So all I need to do is copy that code and paste it on my security passkey. I have to put it as email verification code from Bitget. Connect your API successful. Now you also need to go and do the same also for where you have to copy the API key and paste it inside your Kabibot account. You also have to copy the security key, whereby you also have to paste it in your the security key, which you also paste in your Kabibot, and of course the API passphrase that you used earlier. Then the next thing is to click on add credential. Once you confirm that everything is correct, the next thing is to add credential. And you can see it under credentials. You realize that we have been able to create our credential automated trading connecting it to Bitget. You can see automated trading connected to the Bitget, and that's the first step you need into the connectivity between Kabibot and Bitget. Thank you.